unboxing my Labubu Lazy Yoga. This is from Noel. Thank you, Noel, for my gift. You know what Mama likes, huh? Wow, so cute. Oh, what's this? Oh, Labubu Lazy Yoga. Ha, that's cute. Oh, that's so cute. Wow, pretty cute, though. I think you have to put this one here. This one is for display. Yan. Wow, yoga yung Labubu. Labubu is, yan, mag-yoga na siya. Ay, maybe opposite way. Oh, so cute. My Labubu Lazy Yoga. Thank you, Noel. Merry Christmas. Ay, nalaglag.